Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying account essentials so changes stick. Confirm your email and phone, and enable two-factor authentication. Once done, open X on your preferred device and navigate directly to Settings and Privacy, then Privacy Controls. This is where most protections live. Make sure to keep a second device or an incognito browser tab ready so you can test visibility and behavior in real time. You're now positioned to change visibility. Direct message rules and discoverability will act on each next. Now focus on visibility. Change your tweet privacy to protected if you want posts visible only to approved followers, or restrict replies to followers and people you follow. Disable location services and remove any past location tags so your posts no longer leak where you are. Then tighten tagging and mention controls to reduce unwanted attention. Choose filters that block notifications from new or unverified accounts. Make these changes deliberately because they shape who sees new and existing content, and finish by limiting data sharing. Go to data sharing and off-platform activity and switch off personalization and add targeting where possible. Review third-party app access and revoke anything unnecessary to stop external data flow. Once adjustments are saved, test them using a secondary account or the incognito window you prepared earlier. Check profile visibility, tweet access, and mention behavior. If something still shows publicly, clear cache. Log out and recheck. If issues persist, disconnect apps and repeat the test to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.